This video provides a detailed exploration of leadership principles as depicted in the Holy Quran, drawing upon its verses to elucidate key concepts and their contemporary relevance. Leadership, as portrayed in the Holy Quran, is a multifaceted concept that transcends mere authority and power. It embodies a profound sense of responsibility, ethical conduct, and guidance for the betterment of society. Through various narratives, parables, and direct injunctions, the Quran offers a comprehensive framework for understanding and practicing effective leadership. Integrity and honesty. Integrity and honesty lie at heart of Quranic leadership. The Quran repeatedly emphasizes the importance of truthfulness and trustworthiness in all aspects of life, especially for those in positions of authority. Surah Al-Mu'minun 23:8 states, "Successful indeed are the believers, who are honest and faithful in their trusts and their promises." This verse underscores the essential quality of integrity expected from leaders, urging them to fulfill their responsibilities with sincerity and transparency. Justice and fairness. The Quran places a profound emphasis on justice as a cornerstone of leadership. Surah An-Nisa 4:58 commands, "Indeed, Allah commands you to render trusts to whom they are due, and when you judge between people, to judge with justice." Leaders are entrusted with the responsibility of establishing and maintaining justice in society, ensuring equitable treatment for all individuals irrespective of their background or status. Compassion and mercy. Compassion and mercy are integral aspects of Quranic leadership. Surah Al-Anbiya 21:107 describes the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as a mercy to the worlds, highlighting the compassionate nature of his leadership. Leaders are encouraged to demonstrate empathy and kindness towards their followers, recognizing the inherent dignity and worth of every individual. Humility and modesty. Humility and modesty are qualities esteemed in Quranic leadership. Surah Al-Isra 17:37 advises, "And do not walk upon the earth exultantly. Indeed, you will never tear the earth apart, and you will never reach the mountains in height." Leaders are urged to eschew arrogance and pride, acknowledging their own limitations and weaknesses. Consultation and collaboration. The Quran extols the virtue of consultation, shura, as a fundamental aspect of leadership. Surah Ash-Shura 42:38 declares, "And those who have responded to their Lord and established prayer, and whose affair is determined by consultation among themselves, and from what we have provided them, they spend." Leaders are encouraged to seek counsel from those with knowledge and expertise, recognizing the value of diverse perspectives in decision-making. Servant leadership. Servant leadership is exemplified in the life and teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who epitomized humility, compassion, and selflessness. Surah Al-Imran 3:159 enjoins, "So by mercy from Allah, O Muhammad, you were lenient with them, and if you had been rude in speech and harsh in heart, they would have disbanded from about you." In conclusion, leadership in the Holy Quran encompasses a rich tapestry of values and principles that transcend temporal boundaries and cultural contexts. Integrity, justice, compassion, humility, consultation, and servant leadership are among the key pillars of Quranic leadership, guiding individuals and societies towards excellence and righteousness.